Mwah.
Oh, he barely even got it. He turned around.
He's saving all the good ones for me, that's why. Mwah.
Mwah.
You want to kiss? Mwah.
Good morning, guys.
Can't me and Mama hold hands?
Oh my God. My daddy. Oh my God. He always does that. He kisses me and then kisses that.
We were gonna do this all day? Mwah.
Oh, he barely even got it. He turned around.
He's saving all the good ones for me, that's why. Mwah.
Mwah.
You want to kiss? Mwah.
Sad because it's laundry day? Are you sad because it's laundry day?
Yes.
You should be happy. You have fun on laundry days. We kind of went a little behind in our laundry today, so that will be our night. I'm sure it's gonna go by fast. We got coats and bathrobes, towels, everything in here. Oh wait, let me see. And a baby in here. Hi. What are you doing in our laundry basket? What are you doing in our clean clothes? You know, this is all clean clothes. You stepping all over it. How did you get in here? What are you doing? What are you doing in the laundry? Are you gonna help Mommy and Daddy fold the laundry? Yes? Are you gonna help fold the laundry? We'll see. That's right. What are you doing?
Oh, how did this pile of clothes get on the floor here? Let's put them back. Ah. Here we go with the other clean clothes. Ah. Ready? Ready? Laundry day! Woo!
We got this Ring video doorbell. Does this look familiar to anyone? We saw it yesterday and I really wanted it. So Chris and I talked and we've decided to get it. We really need it. I mean, I am telling you guys, like, there has been people came and gone and we didn't even know people were there because we don't have a knocker, doorbell or anything. And it's hard to hear our door because of the porch. There's 2 doors between it. So anyways, people have told us that they have came and knocked and left. So this is really exciting. So Chris just went outside to install this. Oh, there he is. Talk or end. So I press talk and here he is. Hi, Chris.
Oh, wow, you can talk to me too.
I know.
How cool is that? Can you see me good?
Yeah?
Can you still see me?
No? Yeah.
Oh, Bob, can you still see me?
No, where did you go?
Over here.
I know, we can see you.
What about now?
Nope, definitely not. I think you blended it in with the walls.
Wow, that's good. Like, then.
Yeah.
Is it HD?
Here's what the doorbell looks like. Pretty cool. So what you do, you just push that. So I had a chance to play with this doorbell thing. It is pretty cool. It's cooler than I thought, actually. It's not only you just push the button and it's voice recorded. I'll show you on the phone. This is the app here. It gives you, I don't know if you can see it, battery percentage, ring alerts, and motion alerts. I just turned the motion alerts on. It's cool. You go in here, you change the zone and the range. And right there, it'll detect up to 5 feet, and then you can set it for farther, how far away you want it to detect. So if anyone comes to your door and they're knocking and you don't realize, or the mailman leaves a package and tosses it, or anything really, it's going to record it. So I'll probably set it for about that, and then save. I think it was a good choice. It was really cool. I was kind of against getting it, but Nima really wanted it, so I was like, all right, well, we'll give it a shot, and we'll definitely keep it. It's neat. So Austin got Nima this #1 mom mug, and she doesn't know about it yet. She hasn't seen it, so I'm gonna try to hand it off to him to give to her. We'll see if it works out. Hi, bud. Go give this to Mama. There's nothing in it, Goober. Go give it to Mama. There you go. Go give it to Mama. Say, Mama.
What's that? What is it? Oh, #1 mom. Aww. Oh!
Whoa.
He took it from me. What's the occasion today?
Just because we love you.
I came in to drink coffee there.
Hey. Where are you going with that? Where are you going with that?
That's Mama's. Can Mama see? Can Mama see?
He's so proud of it. He thinks it's his. Yay!